Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube again. Hope you all are doing great. We have another IKEA product today with us, which is IKEA BAKGLAD. The cake stand has a rotating marble top. The disc is made up of marble and the rotating unit is made up of aluminium. The height is around 11 centimeter and the diameter is 29 centimeter. This stand with a rotating top helps you to get an even layer of icing or cream on your pastries. The price of this stand is around 2290 in INR, which is around 27 to $28 in USD. The stand makes it easy to reach all around when you decorate pastries. This is also great for displaying and serving cakes, cookies and cupcakes when you have a function at home. And this is washable too. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.